man. Kada uti wo le eli lock it down the table. Arabi wo tu kit magisa na ile ti ubere. De check no come the wo no pikan. Ata we ko wo no bidano. We ko na no ma check ni.
Then pattern dong.
So like the real bed, you know, before by the boss. This is so amazing. Before you in, before the management, the editing Banyoro to Uganda. Carry people one. Carry people one more. End of week, all about me. The Roman continue to make the Bible for
Nia kiluano yet Samuel Agwani atio a presidential industrial center chiel maladit logo chamo me konyo bulo mamekwa mere gi ngech metiching konyo lufuwa benongo ngech ikiet mefu mapat konyo beno lufuwa ikiet mekelo jama fuora ge factory mawabi yapo don kwacha tibot unluak ni Acholi ni center chiel machia konyo budo matek tutwan iloko milweny ikom kiet mapeati alany pako matika kilikom bulowa alany pajai ki lifestyle mapopore don center ni chikilo fonye mochwiny lufonye magichiki ngech matut ikiet mi mindset change lufonye machiki ngech matut ikiet mi your life skill, entrepreneurship skill and home economics. So mero wacho ni ke in kelo latini kan komi gum and gum komeno ni ndongone peyot and for President Yoweri Museveni Kagota piano mi ojame dujo atien bien no kaburo kan no choka kan no jame kan cham mabe guak mabe paga dwe abichiel romo President Yoweri Museveni Kagota loba medikum. Good morning friends, I bring you greeting from the Presidential Industrial Hub, Acholi sub-region in Oding, Wanyama sub-county, Guru district. We are almost winding up this intake, this cohort, the fourth cohort, and so far we have done all it takes to make a good tailors, good builders, good welders, good shoemakers, good bakers, good hairdressers, good carpenters, and we are very, very confident that we are sending out people who will change our country. People will enter into money economy by promoting development, promoting socio-economic transformation agenda of our country. And I'm telling you, right now we do give site exposure. If you have building materials, we give free labor to you from building department, carpentry department, welding department, as pay back to the community for the support they have given to this center. We are doing a lot more. We are also supporting the community by working on their hair, dressing their hair. We have done a lot, and I think we are determined to continue doing a lot, and we salute the President for this initiative. If you have not visited the center, I kindly request you, come and see what we are doing. You children are doing an amazing job that you could not believe. We are ready to move this country to another level. Thank you. I wish you the best of Monday and the best of this week. See you next time.